Hello children. So today we are going to start a new chapter in English grammar. Do you know what is the name of the chapter? Yes, you can see on the screen. It's naming words. So children, when I say naming words, what are the things come in your mind? Try to think. Naming means what? Names of something, right? And words. So let us see. I will explain you through examples. Let us see. Children, like in the first picture we can see a mother and her son. So when I say mother and when I say son, so are they naming words? What do you think? Yes, mother is a name of a person, right? And son is also a name of a person. Children, can we give them some name? Suppose mother's name is Ria and son's name is Prabhu. Fine. So children, either we are saying mother or son or Ria or Prabhu, all these are names. Okay, they are naming words. Oh, can you see this beautiful picture? It's a picture of a hospital. See, it's written over here. So many things are in this picture. Helicopter, trees, ambulance. A driver is also sitting in the driver's seat. Nurse, patient, doctor, beautiful flowers also. And this is a beautiful building of a hospital. Benches are also kept so that the waiters can wait here. Fine. So what do you think, children? What is it? Like this one, it was name of person. This picture was telling us about names of persons. So in this picture we can find many things. Like hospital, it is the name of a place. Like when you go to school, when you go to your home, when you go to market or any shop. So what are all these? These are places, names of places. Fine. But children, suppose I ask you a question, where do you live? So you can say, I live in Maharashtra, I live in Bengaluru, I live in Kerala, I live here or there. So if you are giving these examples, they are also name of places, right? Suppose this is hospital, but it has some name. Suppose this is government hospital or private hospital. So it will have some particular name. So that will also come under place only. And suppose this is doctor, patient, driver, nurse. Who are they? They are names of persons. And obviously children, they will have some particular name also. Suppose driver's name is Ramu. Nurse name is Priya. Fine. So they have some particular name also. So they are names of persons. This is the name of a place. Suppose trees are kept here. Benches are kept here. Lights are kept here. Okay, helicopter. What are these? They are names of things. Fine. In the third picture, we can see few animals like lion, elephant, giraffe, monkey. Okay, so what are these? One bird is also here. So what are these? They are animals or birds. Children, when I am saying lion, tiger, buffalo, cow, okay, fine. It is fine. It is the name of animal. But do you know, children, when we keep some pet animals like cat or dog, we again give them some particular name. Like dog's name is Bruno or tiger or anything. And suppose this cute elephant's name is Appu. So again we are giving them some particular name. Fine. So names can be given to anything, whether it is person, place or animals or birds. So again they are names of animals or birds, and in the last picture we can see a picture of a bench. Okay. So it is a name of a thing. When you will look around in your house, you will get so many things. Suppose let's talk about your stationery item only. Pen, pencil, eraser, ruler, book, notebook. Okay, so what are all these? Your bag, what are all these? Water bottle, lunch box. They are things. Fine. So here what we have learned: names of persons, place, animals, birds or things, and they name something. That is why it is known as naming words. So I hope children you have learned what is the meaning of naming words. Let's see few more examples. Naming words are simply names of anything. Anything means what? Whatever present around, whatever is present around you. Okay, whether it is a person, suppose your pet animal or pet bird or anything, or wherever you are living. So when you suppose I ask you a question, what are naming words? So simply you can say naming words are names of person, place, animal or thing. I can ask you examples also. Please name a person. So you can either name yourself or any name, your mother, father, brother, sister, friend. So his name is David here. Place. So I can ask you example of places. So you can say park, garden, school, home. Okay, or you can name cities names also like Ernakulam, Kochi. Okay, all these things. Now animals, in animals many animals will come here. The picture of a dog is given here. In thing, again I have told you, so in thing many things are kept around yourself, so you can see and just give examples like here bat, ball is given. So one more example we will see here. What children, you know, naming words are also called as nouns. Okay, what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. And what does it name? It names people, places, animals or things. Like see example, this is my family. Okay, so children, in family your mother, father, brother, sister, everyone will come. So family is a name of okay, in family many names can come. Okay, now animals, my favorite animal is cow. So many pictures are given here, so you can name any animal. Things, I got many gadgets like mobile phone, laptop, computer, my earphone, headphone, so many things. So places, see beach, desert, so many places will also come here, mountains, hills, everything. Okay, now let's start the chapter, children. See, I gave you so many examples. I hope your concept is clear. But if not, let us read this and understand more. Chapter 4, naming words. Read this story. Mother brought some bread from the bakery. She kept it outside for the cat. But a crow saw it and carried it away. So children, when I say mother, it is a name of a person. Bread, bread is the name of a thing. Bakery, bakery is the name of a place. Like we go to shop, any shop, when we go to the market, so many shops are there. So one is bakery also, so it will come under place. Cat is a name of animal and crow is the name of a bird. So the words mother, bread, bakery, cat and crow are naming words. And you can also define like this. You can also explain it that mother is a name of person, bread is a name of a thing, bakery is a name of a place, cat is a name of an animal and crow is a name of a bird. See, it's written here. The word mother names a person. The word cat names an animal. The word crow names a bird. The word bakery names a place. The word bread names a thing. So children, please you have to learn this, okay? This blue box. Naming words are names of persons, animals or birds, places or things. Please learn all these 5 names. What are naming words? Naming words are the names of persons, animals, birds, places or things. Okay? Take out your fingers and learn, so it will become more easier. Now other examples of naming words are like, let us take persons. Okay, so brother, uncle, nephew, cousin, teacher, postman, doctor, carpenter. And children, do you know you can give them proper name also? Like what is your brother's name? Ravi. What is your uncle's name? Okay, suppose Abhijit. Nephew's name Rahul, like this. Okay, now animals or birds. Cow, horse, kangaroo, elephant, giraffe, eagle, parrot, owl, peacock and penguin. So if you have any pet animal, you can give them proper name. Now places, school, house, shop, forest, kitchen. Suppose question is asked, what is the name of your school? So you can say Jeevas CMI Central School. So it is proper name. Where is your house? My house is in Aluva. So Aluva is a proper name. Fine. What is the name of the shop? So you can give any proper name to the shop. The last one is things. Soap, watch, knife, bat, prop, picture, tomato, mango, milk, chair, camera. All these things will come under the category of thing. Okay. Now, and let us do the exercise, children. So what will happen? If you have not understood till now, you will understand it now. Underline the naming words, write them in proper column. So we have column in the next page, children. So but first let us underline here naming words. A small boy was throwing stones into the lake. So children, when I say a small boy, boy is the name of a person, was throwing stones. So stones, it is the name of a thing, into the lake. Lake is the name of a place. Like sea, ocean, river, all these will come under the category of a place. The king and the queen. So king and queen, name of the person, went to the forest. Forest is the name of a place, on their white horses. Horses, name of an animal. Uncle lived in a small village. So uncle is the name of a person, village, name of a place. He had many sheep, name of an animal. Children, here I want to tell you the plural of sheep is sheep only. Okay, don't write he had many sheep. Don't think it is wrong. Okay, it is right. Plural of sheep is sheep only, like deer is deer only. They gave him wool. Wool is the name of a thing. He also had many cows, name of an animal. They gave him milk. Again, milk is name of a thing. Grandmother has a dog. Grandmother, name of a person. Dog, name of an animal. It lives in a kennel. So kennel is the name of a place because it is a living place of this dog. It eats bread. Bread is the name of a thing. There was a mouse, name of an animal. It had 7 tails. Name of a thing, tails. It went to school to study. School is the name of a place, children. Everybody loves to see it. So now what you have to do here, you have to write the names of persons, animals or birds, places or things. So children, I have already explained you that school or park, forest, all the kennel, all these are names of places, persons, grandmother, boy, mouse. Sorry, mouse will come under animal. So the same with thing like bread, milk, wool. So what you have to do, just turn the page. You can do in your book on your own, children. I have explained you. So I'm just writing it here like this. You do your work and then you can match the answer from here. Children, I am only to help you here. Fine. You have to do your work on your own. Complete your work in your book and then check it. And if all the answers are correct, it means your concept is clear. You have understood everything. Now again here what you have to do, underline the naming words in these stories. The old man, man is the name of a person, had a very long beard. Beard is the name of a thing. 2 owls, owls name of a bird. 3 pigeons, pigeons name of again bird. 1 dove, again dove is the name of a bird. And 2 sparrows, sparrows name of a bird. Had all made nests in it. Nest, children, it is again living place, so it is the name of a place. A sparrow name of a bird, lived in a nest. Nest is the name of a place. Tree, name of a thing. In the garden of her house. So garden and house will become name of a place. When we ate our food, food, name of a thing. She sat in the window. Name, window again name of a thing of her kitchen. Kitchen is the name of a place. Like children, bedroom, dining room, all these are places only. We gave her rice and bread to eat. So rice and bread, they will go under the category of thing. A bear name of an animal. Lived in a jungle, jungle name of a place near the hills. Hills also name of a place. He had no brother or sister. Brother or sister will go under the category of person. But he had a friend. Friend, person. His friend was a monkey. So again children, friend will go under the category of person and monkey is an animal. The bear loved, bear name of an animal. The bear loved to eat honey. Honey, name of a thing. The monkey was fond of peanuts. Monkey, name of an animal, and peanuts, name of a thing. Now complete this story by filling in the blanks with suitable naming words. Take words from the box below. So children, can you see here 7 words are given here and 7 blanks. So you have to fill with the correct word, correct naming words. Alice was a young girl. One day she had a dream. In the dream, a white, like you can see the picture also children here, a white rabbit came running to her. He was wearing a, see children, he was wearing a waistcoat and carrying a watch. He passed by Alice and went into the rabbit. See, one hole is made here, if you can see here. Who followed him? So Alice followed him. Soon she came to a dash. She came to a door. Okay, like only door is left here. So she came to a door, but it was locked. Now grammar activities children. Divide the class into 2 groups. Children from each group speak naming words beginning with the last letter of the naming word spoken by the other groups. Oh, very interesting. Thus forming a word chain. For example, suppose any person has said name of a thing, train. Fine. So the last letter is N. So you have to say naming word only. So N for nest or N for nightingale. Okay, anything you can write children. Okay, any naming word, but it should be naming word, not other words. So N for nest. Last letter is T. So T for tea. Okay, or you can write T for tiger, T for tomato, anything. So last letter is A for arrow, A for apple, A for ant, anything you can write. Again now W has come. W is the last letter. So for W what you can write? Write window, windmill, anything. Again from the last letter you have to, like this you have to carry on. The round is over when a child speaks a word that is not a naming word. Suppose children you have said some other word which is verb or preposition or any other thing. Fine. So the round will get over there. Or no child is able to give a word beginning with the required letter. So children, we are not going to school. You cannot play this game with your friends. So do one thing. You can play in your family only. Okay, ask your mother, father if you have any brother or sister, like, okay, so you can take help from them also. The winning team gets 5 marks for each round. The losing team gets no marks. So ask the children to speak out words naming the various things found in the classroom. So we don't have classroom here. So what you can do, you can go to your drawing room or kitchen or wherever you are sitting. Okay, your study room. So you can just look around yourself and tell various things like furniture, fittings, stationery, people, etc. Encourage them to observe comprehensively and prepare a list of at least 50 naming words. Children, this activity also you can do. This you have to do on your own. Just go around, go in all the rooms and write 50 names. You can include people also if you have any pet animals or birds. Okay, things you will get many things. So children, let us revise for the last minute. What are naming words? Naming words are names of persons, places, animals or birds or things. Fine. And you can also say nouns are called naming words. Fine. Example you can give of person, place, animal or thing. So children, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.